Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a Reddit community. Before watching this video, please subscribe the channel. Let's get started. First of all, open Reddit app on your device. Here you can see three horizontal line top left corner. Now tap on create community. Here type your community name, then type your description. After typing your community name or description, then tap on next. Here you can add your banner or avatar. After adding your banner or avatar, then tap on next. Here you can choose community topics, then tap on next. Here you can select community type. I select public, then tap on next. That's it. Successfully create a Reddit community. Hopefully this video helped you. Please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching this video.